So the new year is fast approaching and I just really want to do something big. What I'm gonna do is that for the new year, I'm gonna cut my hair, which is something I've done before. What's most exciting for me is that after I cut it short, I'm gonna bleach my hair. This is the first time ever I'm gonna do this. I've been dreaming about having a different hair color and school won't allow it, and in the future when I start working they wouldn't allow crazy colors too, so I want to do it now because I have a pretty long vacation. And yeah, I just really want to enjoy. I'm turning 20 in 3 months and you know I haven't done something really fun in my teen years, so yeah, I'm gonna do it now. I'm really nervous but I'm just really excited. So I'm gonna vlog everything step by step so that you know I have this footage of me being brave and doing something for myself. So yeah, I'm really excited. So I'm gonna go on to cutting my hair. Pew! So here's my hair right now. It's like armpit long. So I'm gonna cut it up to here. I just really like cutting my hair because I feel so free afterwards and I feel like a different version of myself. Again, this clip it. Start. So this is my new hair. It's very choppy but I like it, and I feel so light. It's like everything about the semester is gone, but we're not done yet. I will now bleach my hair, so here it goes. By the way, this is all like by hair. I don't know what I'm doing. So this is the part where I bleached my hair. I changed into something that I don't mind being stained. These are my old pajamas. I have this like plastic kitchen wrap, so I'm gonna fold it. I'm really just using anything available in the house. Okay, so I bought a bleach from Shopee. This is the keratin oxidizer. It won't focus there. And we have this like pastel violet powder. We'll mix those together in a bowl. So here I go. So currently this is what my hair looks like. I'm just gonna watch an episode and a half of Friends and then I'll rinse this off and then I'll come back and give an update. This is my second bleach. This is my hair after 2 bleaches. It's still a bit orange. Maybe because I rinsed it off a little bit early. So I want to bleach it again. Third and last time. I ran out of bleach, so later I'm gonna head out and buy some and bleach again. So I'll see you then. Yeah. So this is my third white now. I hope it turns really white now. It's been 45 minutes and I'm gonna wash it off. This is what my hair looks like after the third bleach. I don't know if it's orange, but I don't want to bleach it anymore. It might get too damaged. So the next step is I'm gonna color it ash gray using this two-tone treatment hair color in number 7 by Etude House. I'm gonna mix it with this Cream Silk Triple Keratin Rescue. Mix these together. I'm coloring my hair gray. So this is my hair. It has been 3 days after I bleached and colored my hair, so the color has faded a bit. It looks blonde now, but a few parts looks really gray, but the parts that were still kind of orange look like this. Kind of looks green sometimes. This is what it's supposed to look like. This is what it looks like right now. I don't really mind it too much. It looks cute. Well, thank you so much for joining me in my DIY new hair experience. I'll probably do this again next vacation. It has been so much fun and I feel very different. I feel unique. Like I have a sense of identity. So yeah, I'll see you on my next video. Bye!